What's up, guys? This is Andy with RC Journeys, where every day with an RC is a journey. Alright, we're here with the Rlaarlo Ak-917, right? This is going to be a spur gear removal, replacement, however you want to see it, okay? Alright, been looking at a bunch of videos. There's not really a cut and dry one, but I got one for you here right now, okay? There are 11 bolts. Actually, first two bolts you got to get is this little brace here. There's two bolts on either side. Get them out. You are going to need, what is this? I can't see that. Okay, you're going to need that size bit, and you're going to need this size bit. Okay, alright. Now, besides moving those first two bolts for the brace on here, there's going to be 11 bolts. I'm not a professional photographer, guys, so sorry. There's going to be 11 bolts on the rear bulkhead. They will all have to be removed. Once you get those removed, you're gonna have to do a little prying, because this goes here. There is a you're gonna have to remove a grub screw on the drive shaft. There's one grub screw on this side of the drive shaft. There's also one on this side, but I noticed you don't have to remove it, so I put it back on. But that is the one you have to take off, is the one on that side. Some of them come apart really easy, some of them don't. Therefore, get yourself a little, I don't know, prying tool, screwdriver. You can pry until it breaks loose. Once it breaks loose, you have access to your spur gear. There's the 4 screws that go into the spur gear. You can switch. The aluminum version comes with 2 additional ones, a middle one and the smallest one. If you put the smallest one, the spur gear, or I'm sorry, the pinion gear that is on here will not fit. They will not mesh. Therefore, you'll have to do some dremeling to the motor mount, or just go ahead and buy yourself the adjustable motor mount. I don't have it, so I'm not sure if it'll mesh as well, but I'm assuming it would because it's adjustable. So don't go ahead and go put the smallest spur gear on there, because it's not going to fit. You will have to change the pinion gear. You'll have to up tooth the pinion gear, okay? That way you can get the smallest spur gear and your pinion gear to mesh, okay? Anyway, your screws are going to be different sizes, so I recommend that you put them in place. Mark them, set them down somewhere where you know they're going to go back, okay? Alright. I think that's about it, guys. This has been another video with RC Journeys. I hope this helped you guys out with your Rlaarlo Ak-917. And happy speed. Later, guys. Thanks for watching.